Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today in the online class we discuss the atomic number. Atomic number is a fundamental property of an atom. That fundamental property of an atom indicate us the importance of the atomic number. Actually the atomic number is a very basic and characteristic property of an atom, and with the help of which we can identify any atom of the periodic table. So the atomic number is actually the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. The symbol which we use for atomic number is Z. The capital Z indicate any atomic number. After that we discuss some very important examples of the atomic number. Actually the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Why it's 1? Because it contains only one proton in the nucleus of an atom. Its K shell contain only one electron. But atomic number is actually the number of protons, so we are interested to count the number of protons. So the atomic number of hydrogen will be 1, and the atomic number, they are written below the symbol like that. After that we discuss a very important example, the second example of the atomic number, that is the atomic number of carbon is 6. Why it's 6? Because carbon contains 6 protons in the nucleus of an atom. However, the electrons, the 2 electrons are present in the K shell, and the 4 electrons, they are present in the L shell. The K shell is the very smallest shell. It only can accommodate 2 electrons. The 4 electrons, they are present in the second shell. The second shell is L shell. But here we are interested in the number of protons. So the structure indicate you the presence of 6 protons in the nucleus. For that reason, the atomic number of carbon will be 6. That 6 will be written below the symbol. After that we discuss a third example, and the third example is the oxygen atom. Why its atomic number is 8? Because it contains 8 protons. For that reason the atomic number of oxygen will be 8. After that we discuss a fourth example, and that fourth example is the sodium. The atomic number of sodium is 11. Why it's 11? Because it contains 11 protons. For that reason the atomic number of sodium will be 11. As you know that an atom is a neutral particle, so the number of electrons and the number of protons, they are always equal. So if the number of protons are 11, the number of electrons will also be 11. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So the electrons, they are also 11, and the protons, they are also 11. After that we discuss a very important thing, and that important thing of an atom is the mass number. The mass number is actually the sum of protons and neutrons which are present in the nucleus of an atom. So in this topic we discuss that the number of protons and the number of neutrons which are present in the nucleus, they will be added. The symbol for the mass number will be A. The atomic number, they are represented by the symbol Z, whereas the mass number, they are represented by the symbol A. The other name for mass number is nucleon number. The word nucleon is taken from the word nucleus. So the mass number, they are also known as nucleon number. After that we discuss some examples of the mass number. The hydrogen, it's the structure of hydrogen atom. We can observe that it contains 1 proton and no neutron. When we add 1 with 0, we will get 1. So that 1 is the mass number of hydrogen, which is written above the symbol. Similarly, it's the structure of carbon atom. We can see that the structure, that the nucleus of the carbon atom contains 6 proton and 6 neutron. When we add the number of proton and the number of neutron, our answer will be 12. So that 12 will be the mass number of carbon, and that will be written above the symbol. After that we discussed the third example of an atom, and that atom is of oxygen atom. We can see that in this structure, in the nucleus contains 8 proton and 8 neutrons. When we add the number of protons and the number of neutron, we will get 16. Now that 16 will be the mass number of oxygen, and that 16 will be written above the symbol. After that, we discuss the fourth example, and in this structure, the nucleus contains 11 proton and 12 neutrons. When we add 11 with 12, we will get 23. That 23 will be the mass number of sodium, and that 23 will be written above the symbol. After discussing the atomic mass and mass number, we discussed that how we represent the element in chemistry. That X indicate you the symbol of any element, and the mass numbers, they are written above the symbol, whereas the atomic number, they are written below the symbol. For that, we take first example, and in the first example we discuss that 12 is the mass number of carbon, 6 is the atomic number. 6 will be written below the symbol, 12 will be written above the symbol. So that particular written manner is very important, that how you will write the mass number and how you will write the atomic number. Similarly, after that, we discuss the second example, and in this example you will notice that one atomic number 1 is written above the symbol, and 1 is also written below the symbol. That below 1 indicates the atomic number of the hydrogen atom. Similarly, in the third example, we discussed that how we represent oxygen. So the 16 is the mass number which is written above the symbol, and 8 is written below the symbol, and that 8 indicates you the atomic number. This is the place for writing atomic number, and it is the particular place for writing mass number. Similarly, in the in the fourth example, we discussed that how we represent sodium in chemistry. So 23 is the mass number of the sodium which is written above the symbol, and 11 is written below the symbol. That 11 is actually the atomic number of the sodium. That's all for today. Thank you.